Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 17JG Black Label. What's great about the Black Label is that you do get the Phylon siding. It is very gorgeous, especially with the black accents of the door and the compartment doors and the awning. Right here at the front of the unit, you do get a large storage space. It's got a Contour Cube refrigerator. You do get outdoor entertainment, so you've got the 2 outdoor speakers along with a TV mount, cable and satellite hookups, and a large lighted and power awning, which I apparently did not turn the awning on. But there is a switch inside for it. And here you can see it's got this little door. That is the lower bunk, and below the lower bunk you do have some storage space. There's quite a bit of storage space in there. Let's take a look inside. There's the awning lights. Alright, so this unit does have one slide. On your slide you do have a cafe style dinette. So it is a U-shaped dinette. This will fold down into a bed, so you can put the table right here on the rail and it will Velcro in place, and you can adjust the cushions to cover the table. Down here you can see that it does have the ultra deep drawers that extend to the back of the dinette. Over here is your bed. So you do get a queen size bed there. There's some storage up top. It's got the side open cabinets, which makes it easier to unload and load them. Over here is your kitchen. So as you can see, you do have quite a bit of storage in here. Has the pull down sprayer faucet and a single basin sink with these sink covers. Got a soap dispenser as well. The stove is a 2-burner gray stone stovetop. Got a Contour microwave. Over here you've got the teddy bear mattresses on the bunks. And here you've got a Canon 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. It will run off of your battery, and it will keep your food cold as you're driving down the road. And then finally, back here you do have your bathroom. So you got your toilet and shower, and a little sink in the shower there. And the basin of the shower is fairly deep, so if you had smaller children, you could use it as a bathtub. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available here at Tri-State RV, come check us out in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online, www.tristaterv.com.